ICML went very well. We are extremely pleased, and we are receiving a huge amount of congratulations from everywhere. I guess that it has been one possibly of the best virtual meeting which have taken place in the last 18 months. Of course, we had before already organized the meeting on an hybrid modality, but when 4 months ago we realized that this was impossible, we had to change everything, which was an incredible amount of work. But at the end, it had also some advantages because Lugano has some logistic problems. So normally we are unable to accept all the people who would like to participate. This time we had the possibility to have more. So we have this time almost 5,000 participants, and we had many more participants from developing countries, people who normally have some problems because they do not have the financial possibility to fly to Lugano. So from the organizational point of view, it was a great success, and everybody is also underlying that the scientific program was extremely interesting. We had 3 splendid keynote lecture about the future strategy in order to be able perhaps soon to cure all patients with CLL by Michael Halleck. In the Kaplan lecture, we had a very nice Bonadonna lecture by Alisa Day, who described very clearly the state of the art in the use of liquid biopsy, and then the Altman lecture by Steve Ansel, who pinpointed the increasing role of immunotherapy in the management of lymphomas, and was able also to explain the cooperation of many cell lines in shaping the microenvironment and creating so the possibility for further interventions in the field of lymphomas. We had then 13 sessions with proffered papers, one with pediatric papers, very well attended also. We had 2 special workshops devoted to radiotherapy, and a very innovative joint session between ICML and AACR about the role of artificial intelligence in lymphomas, both as regards diagnosis, but also as regards shaping the future of clinical trials in malignant lymphomas. I have no time to discuss the educational part of the program, which was also very successful, but just to conclude, it was very successful, although we were a little bit scared before, since this was the first time that we organized a virtual meeting of this kind. But at the end, we were very much relieved. And of course, we missed the presence of many friends who regularly come to Lugano. We had also prepared a lot of events because it was our 40th anniversary. The first ICML took place in 1981. We had to cancel concerts, run for hope, and so on. But we look very much forward to seeing again many of these friends in 2 years from now.